How to delete Waze history. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Waze history from your Waze account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Waze app from your device and make sure that you are logged into your Waze account. Now to delete your history, tap on three-bar icon on your top left. Then you will see Settings. Open that option. Scroll below. Under Account, tap on Privacy. Then under Activity, tap on Drive History. Now, if you have any kind of drive history, it will show you at this page. To delete this, tap on Delete All, then tap on Delete All again. Once you have done that, come back and tap on Recent Locations. Delete this from here as well. Tap on three-dot icon, then tap on Remove icon on your bottom right. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you had found it to be helpful, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you all for watching.